Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to safely use a hot glue gun. So this is a hot glue gun. Actually it comes with a stand. It's not safe to keep a glue gun like this lying on the floor. That is why it comes with a stand here. So what you have to do is just to lift it. Yeah, this is it. To plug your hot to heat up. So you allow this tip will be hot. You can see. So here is the glue stick. So if you want to insert a new glue stick, you know, I already have one that I've not finished using. So I'm putting this at the tip so that you see when it is hot, because the glue stick is going to melt out from this tip, and the tip is very hot, so you have to be very careful not to hurt yourself or even touch it. Don't touch it because it's very hot. So here it has the on and off button, so you put it on. When you click the on button, the lights will show. You can see it. This lights will show, which will tell you that your glue gun is on, and you allow it to get hot so that it will melt the glue stick. So if you want to insert a new glue stick, you know, I already have one here. So all you have to do, the glue stick must have pushed in to this extent. So you just have to take your glue stick and then you put it as well in this same space that is meant for the glue stick, and then you push it in, not with force. You just push it in, and then it will melt. You just leave it for some time in order to allow it to melt when your out. Glue gun is ready. You can see that the glue is coming out from the tip. You can see the glue is coming out of the tip. So I didn't want it to burn my fabric, so I put in a paper. You can see. So now the glue is ready for you to use it for whatever craft or anything that you want to use it for. Now this is a handmade easy wear shoe. So the rose on it has fallen off. So I'm going to use the glue gun to put it back and gum it. So all I have to do now, if you want this glue to come out, you have to press this section, you know, like that is like maybe you want to shoot a gun or something. So you press this handle, you press this here down like this. See? This is my house slippers. I wear it at home. It's handmade as well. So you can see it has glued. So that is how you use a hot glue gun.